Making payments at thousands of retailers has never been easier. We offer a direct connection to your Town & Country Credit Union debit and credit cards through Google Pay, often referred to as your mobile wallet. What is a mobile wallet? It's a virtual wallet that securely stores your card information inside your mobile device. Today we'll walk you through how to add your Town & Country debit or credit card to your Google Pay app and how to make a payment at a local retailer. Let's get started. The Google Pay app might be pre-downloaded on your mobile device. If it's not, you'll need to download it from the Google Play Store. Next, open up the Google Pay app and click on Set It Up. You'll be prompted to add your debit or credit card by taking a photo of the card or manually entering the information. Verify the information is correct, read through the terms and conditions, and click Save. You will then need to agree to the issuer terms, click Accept, and Continue. If you don't have a screen lock in place currently, Google Pay will require you to set one up. You'll need to call us at the number listed on your screen to verify your card. It only takes a minute or two. Once your card is officially added, it'll show up in the payment section within the Google Pay app, and it'll be ready to use. You can add multiple cards into your mobile wallet if you wish. Now let's discuss making a payment at a local retailer with Google Pay. When you walk up to the cashier, you're going to look for the Google Pay logo or the NFC symbol. That's the Wi-Fi looking graphic turned over on its side. If they do, unlock your phone, open up your Google Pay app and select the card you would like to use. Then hold the back side of your phone near the card terminal. After that, your payment will process and populate under recent activity. Simple as that. In addition to using Google Pay at retailers, you can also use it to make purchases online or within apps. All you do is look for the Google Pay symbol at checkout and then complete the transaction using your phone or computer. Google Pay is not only fast and convenient, it's also extremely secure. Every transaction generates a 15 to 16 digit number sequence instead of using your card. This further reduces your risk in case your card would be compromised. Skip digging through your purse or your wallet and try Google Pay today. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 1-800-872-6358. Thanks for choosing Town & Country.